everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Do you love things that sparkle? I sure do. And in today's video, we're going to cover some of the things that sparkle in our world when it comes to the idea of reselling. What are we going to make available for you? Well, we're going to definitely offer you a promo code for all things that sparkle. And yes, what is it that we're going to be talking about? Yes, we are going to be talking about some jewelry. So we love jewelry, so we're definitely going to be talking about some jewelry and seeing all of the amazing things that you can get when it comes to some jewelry items. So let's go ahead and we're going to jump right over to hookedonpickin.com. So let's go to hookedonpickin.com. All right, we're on hookedonpickin.com, and we definitely want to check out all of the things that sparkle here on hookedonpickin.com. We're currently on vacation right now, and so we wanted to offer you guys some fun as well. So while we're on vacation, we definitely don't want you to be left out of the fun, and so we're going to give you some options for some promo code discounts. So make sure you stay tuned to see exactly what that promo code will be. But we're currently on our jewelry and accessories category on hookedonpickin.com. All you have to do is go up to the shop menu, the drop down menu, and you see all of our different categories. If you've not been to Hooked on Pickin shop category before, we have added books and pets as a new category, so make sure you check out that. Fun finds is also a category that you can find some interesting items in, but we're going to talk about jewelry today. So here are some of the items that are discounted as of late and maybe have been on the jewelry section for a little while, and we wanted to remind you that they're still available. So we have this W necklace that looks like a bamboo necklace. So it's gold bamboo initial choker necklace. So it's called a choker necklace, but it's 16 inches. So it's a little bit shorter than a traditional necklace, but it is 16 inches long. We've also got the letter O, or you could just call it a circle. You don't have to have your name start with the letter O. We've also got some cool llama pom-pom guys. These are earrings and amazing. How amazing are those? Everybody needs those in their life. So that gives you an idea how big they are. They're very lightweight, very fun, and they're perfect accessory to have. Then we've got a really pretty, simple, tiny necklace. It's moon-shaped. We have it in silver and we have it in gold. So we have both of them. And so it's got this kind of neat look on it. Stainless steel, delicate moon choker statement necklace. And it shows that the chain length is going to be around your 16 to 18 inch length, and you can choose gold or silver. Then we have the handmade Sunbird Beach conch shell. If you're going on vacation to any kind of tropical area or warm area, you just go ahead and get your souvenirs here at a much more discounted price for $2.99. Or you can get a double set right here that comes with similar necklaces for $4.99. So if you're going anywhere warm and want to get some seashell type necklaces, well, we've got two different styles available for you here at hookedonpickin.com. Make sure you stay tuned because I'm definitely going to give you a promo code because we're on vacation. You need to have some fun shopping while we're on vacation. None of the shipping will be done until July 13th, so just be aware of that when you make your order today. But our discount code will be available for the jewelry department for 2 days. So the 6th and the 7th of June, if you're watching it after the fact, that's okay. You'll just pay full price. But look at these amazing prices. $2.99. Wow, that's crazy. All right, then we have a mom heart necklace. Very, very pretty heart necklace. Lots of intricate details, a little bit of bling there. And so $7.99 for that beautiful heart necklace. It does have a 16-inch chain with a 2-inch extension, so you can go up to 18 inches. So perfect for any length. Then we have these sets of earrings. So we have gold or silver you can choose from. Really nice dangly post earrings. So it's got kind of a crystal chain with circle earring ends. $9.99. These are super lightweight. My girls have a pair and they wear them all the time, especially for their concerts and such, because they have just enough sparkle, but they're very sophisticated and nice. Then this necklace I definitely always want to tell people about because it's called the Tree of Life necklace. $9.99 is what it is, and it's got pretty decor pieces on it that look like the Tree of Life. But the thing that I like to show people is that it's a very long necklace, and so it can be adjusted with this adjuster here all the way down to the first item on the chain, and so it can be a shorter necklace or it can be a long hang below the bust line type necklace. It does have a little bit of a purple tint to some of the stones, but most of them are the solid silver. But this clasp is really, really easy to use, so if you have difficulty with a clasp, this is really nice to adjust. And so really, really beautiful necklace that people just maybe have forgotten about because it's been a long time since we've unboxed it. $9.99 for the Tree of Life silver long necklace. Then we've got some cool sets here. We've got the brown jewelry set, genuine stone pendant necklace, and it's got thread wrapped earrings. So these have brown thread wrapped around this nice cool gold toned earring, really lightweight earrings. And then we have the bracelet. As you see, it's tripled over here, so you can actually wear it as a very lightweight necklace, but the entire set is going to be $19.99 for this kind of brown earth tone kind of set here. Then we have a blue set, the exact same style, but it's got blue tones, kind of a more of a turquoisey color, but all of them match, look really good together. $19.99 for the entire set. All right, need some hearing aids? We got those in the jewelry category too. Those will be on sale. Anything that's listed in the jewelry and accessories category will be available for that promo code. And I'm going to pop that promo code up here in just a moment. So we've got the letter H, of course, hooked on Pickin. We need the letter H for this nice bamboo style choker necklace, $9.99. And like I said, it's a 16-inch chain. Then if you have a nurse in your life, you definitely need to bless them with this nice keychain. If you have one in the family or you have one that's just touched your heart, get this beautiful keychain, $8.99 for the Bless Me with a Gentle Touch and Caring Heart keychain, $8.99. Then we have the flower beaded tassel earrings, really pretty tassel earrings, very lightweight, no snags in any of the tassels because they're covered in a plastic sheath in shipping to keep them well protected, but really pretty earrings. And we've got various other colors coming up. So the length of those are going to be 6.4 inches long. Really, really nice. All right, then we of course have your Christmas light up necklace. This is great even for camping in the summer because it's nice bright lights. All right, Father's Day is coming up, and I think you definitely need to look into possibly getting this. So, to my dad keychain, Father's Day gift, I have a hero, I call him Daddy. So this would be a perfect gift for any dad. Every dad has a pair of keys, right? And so they definitely need a beautiful keychain, but this just kind of speaks to you know, having a really good dad and being able to just honor him with this keychain. Every dad wants to be called a hero, no matter the age, no matter the relationship. So here, go ahead and get this. Have a hero, I call him Daddy keychain. Whether you're an adult daughter giving this to your dad or a young child, it's going to be the perfect gift. All right, then we have these beautiful beaded white earrings. Kind of gives you an idea in the size when you look at the picture on the model, but really, really pretty white beaded earrings, very intricate teardrop shape. Then we have always have, always will, love you then, love you still. Really neat kind of keychains there. So it's a couple's keychain for sure, and so it's a really, really cool thing to give someone as a gift or to have as a gift. So that's a really, really beautiful set there. Then while you shield these streets, I'll shield your heart. So beautiful gift to give a police officer or someone who is in law enforcement, a security guard, any of that. So $4.99, people put their life on their line, so make sure that you encourage them with this keychain gift, and it does come with its own gift box. So a lot of the keychains do come with their own gift box. Here's something that I definitely wanted to make you aware of. When you first look at this listing, you think, okay, my name doesn't start with a K, why do I need this necklace? Well, this is a turquoise pearl necklace and a white pearl necklace, and so you can choose the letter and you can choose the color. So here's the turquoise color, and then we also have them in the white color, and we have various different letters. So we get them in from time to time in random quantities. And so currently right now we have the A in the turquoise color, the C in the turquoise color, the H in the turquoise color, the I in the turquoise color, and then down in the white pearl we have the D in the white pearl, the H in the white pearl, the V in the white pearl, and I think I missed telling you we have the W in the turquoise as well. So we have all of those colors, pretty shapes, and they're roughly 1 inch to 1.5 inches is the pendant length, and they all do come with a nice gold chain there. So $4.99 per necklace. So just see if we have your letter. You can see what's in stock and what's not in stock, but we add new letters all the time. And so check back later if we don't have your letter, or go ahead and shoot me an email at hookedonpickin.com. All right, then we have more of the tassel earrings. We have the yellow ones. Here's the pretty blue ones that we have, $7.99 each for those tassel earrings. Same thing with this initial necklace. Now, currently we only have the X and the W for this one, but this is an actual anklet bracelet, and it's in rose gold. And so this is a really pretty one. But so you can always get just this chain. It'll come with whatever pendant you choose, but if you want to take the pendant off, it's a really pretty, perfectly sized ankle chain. So if you want to get your own charms to put on it, it's a really pretty rose gold one. So $7.99 for that, and we do get other letters available in those as well. All right, so I'm not going to tease you anymore. Let's go ahead and pop up this promo code. Here is the promo code for the jewelry section. Sparkle. It will be available for the 6th and 7th of June all day, 20% off the entire category of jewelry. So please buy everything. I mean, you have great prices already. We're going to leave all the prices the same, but you also get an additional 20% off. I've never done a 20% off on my store, and so here you go. Here's a bonus 20% off the jewelry category. Let's see what's at the beginning of the jewelry category. So we have lots of things in the jewelry category, but I wanted to definitely show you some of these other items as well. So don't forget, in your checkout, you have to put the word sparkle in order to get the 20% off. If you forget the word sparkle, you don't get the 20% off. So make sure you add it in your cart and get that 20% off for the promo code SPARKLE. All right, so you have the I Love Jesus Crystal Heart keychains. If you want one, you just choose on your color and simply click add to cart. So they're 3 inches long. You can get pink, blue, purple, and red of the I Love Jesus Crystal Heart keychains. All right, then we also have, these are really neat. Now we don't have the unicorn or the mermaid available in stock anymore, but we do have these rainbow ones. They come in this cool box where it's a rainbow on a cloud, and then it's this beautiful necklace. So we are going to be ordering the other necklaces to get them back in stock as well, because we do have the mermaid one and the unicorn one. We'll be ordering those. So check back, see if we have them in stock. $9.99 a piece for those necklaces with this the cool box. Then we have this cool, we call them Christmas light dangle earrings, but really they're just multicolored dangle earrings, about 3 inches long, $6.99. They do come with their own gift box. Then we have these beautiful silver necklaces. We don't have the gold in stock, but we have silver, and they have rhinestones on them. And there are 3 necklaces in this one set. For $9.99, you're going to get 3 total necklaces. The first one, with the small little heart, is 16 inches. Then you have an 18 and an 18. And so they're really, really pretty necklaces. So great matching set. If you're a mom with daughters, you can have a matching set, or you can just wear them together because, like I said, they are different lengths, and I do believe they have the extensions on them, so you can make them tiered if we wanted. So $9.99 for the silver rhinestone necklace set. And then I wanted to show you, if you're not silver fan, you can get them in gold. So here is gold, not with the rhinestones, but it does have a really pretty set there. So here is your gold set for the small, medium, and large heart necklaces. They're $3.99 for those. $3.99 for those. All right, and then these kind of match those gold necklaces at $7.99 for the set of 3. $7.99 for the set of 3 of those necklaces there, or earrings there. So you get the large, medium, and small. All right, and then we have these rhombus necklaces. I believe we only have the gold in stock right now, but really pretty necklace. And so you have a 18-inch chain on those rhombus necklaces. Then we have hugs and kisses necklaces. So you can choose if you want the circle or the X, or get them both, $4.99 each. So we have them in the circle or the X, and you can just wear around hugs and kisses on your neck all day. Then we have the Christmas ornaments. So these are paparazzi style Christmas ornaments. And so $4.99 for these really pretty pair of dangle earrings. Then we have this gold chain necklace. And so it's a really beautiful chain. Gold chain necklace. It will match anything. $6.99 is the cost on that. And it is 14 karat gold. And it is called a Helena necklace. Brass link Helena necklace. So really, really pretty on that. Then next we have these really cool, clever earrings. So it's a snowman and a lady. A snowman and a lady, really, really fun set there. And so $4.99 for the snowman and women beaded earrings. So really, really cool set with those pom-pom earrings. And then last but not least, I definitely wanted to show you these. These are rhinestone bangles bracelets for women. You get to choose which color you want. And so I definitely wanted you to see all the different styles and colors that we have. And so we have a green one. And so this is kind of like a hunter green and gold. The neat thing about a bangle is that you can definitely change it to whatever size you want it to be. And so check out that bangle bracelet and see, you know, you can just simply squeeze it for a tighter you know, fit on your bracelet. But this is the green one, and we have the clear and silver one, very bright and shiny. Then we have the gray one, which is going to be kind of like your silver and black colors in it. And then we have a beautiful red and gold one, red and gold bangle. And so these are all really, really pretty. $9.99 is going to be your cost for each one. And they're very well put together. The beads don't come falling off. They're not cheaply made. They're very, very nice. And so lots of fun things in the jewelry category. And so don't forget to use that promo code SPARKLE. Make sure that you enter that in the checkout of the carts. Make sure you do that so you can get your 20% off. And so we definitely want you to not miss that. And so thanks so much for watching this video. And of course, remember the end, Jesus wins.